Mic check. Hello. Okay. Good morning, good evening, and good night. Ako si Jose Elmer Bigar Jr. or informally called as Mer. Today we're going to do a certain challenge that I call Black Pepper Challenge. Ngayon, I really am not looking forward to this. The only reason I'm gonna be doing this is because I asked my friends on what to do on my channel because currently I'm very busy on doing some more special stuff that's also for this channel. Um, ayun. So, for this challenge, I'm gonna try to swallow a spoonful of black pepper. And yeah, I invented this because I asked my friends what to do, and they like picked one of my ideas. And because those ideas are like some generally easy videos to do while I'm recording some songs and stuff. Also, I have this like I have this new hairstyle now. I have a bun. I don't know if it's a bun, if it's called a bun. No. Parang I look like a samurai. Chain. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So, I'm gonna go get a spoonful of pepper. Oh, is this enough? Nah, you guys want more. I just know it. You guys want more. Is this enough? That's for the thumbnail. Wait lang. Okay. One, two, three. Ah! I hate you all. Nah, joking. Don't ever try this at home. Anyways. Also, the reason I haven't been posting because I was at my province, aka Bataan, and like we're also gonna go to another province, Batangas, this Saturday. So yeah, I won't. I think I can be posting daily right now in this month, but I will. I promise. One day I'll be posting daily. It's not this month. Bye bye.